Hi, good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome to Dine with Miss T. It is a Thursday afternoon. What date is it? It's the 12th today. It's the 12th. It's a Thursday afternoon. It is around, I think, 5 o'clock if I'm not mistaken. And I haven't eaten the whole day. So, anywho's, I hope everybody is good. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, so today I am having chicken. I made some chicken with some sauce. I have some mixed veggies and I have rice here with some lemon, and of course I have something to drink as well. I bought this. This is a passion fruit and apple flavor sparkling drink from Pick n Pay. So I don't know if you can see it. See, that's a Pick n Pay brand. It is very nice. It is my first time trying it. Well, I just bought it the other day, so this is what's left of it. So I'm just gonna have that with my food. That is very nice. Please do not mind my background, all the boxes behind me. I just bought some stuff from Clicks. There is a 50% sale, so I just bought some stuff and it was delivered today. So yeah, let me stop talking and just enjoy my food. So hope everybody is good, that you're home and safe. I don't know why I'm eating with such a big spoon. So how are you guys doing? What are you doing this Thursday afternoon? What are you guys busy with? My food is not spicy today. I didn't have chili, I didn't have hot sauce or hot spices, chili spices. So I just used whatever I have in the house. But it's still good. It's still good. This rice is still hot, sorry. Oops. It's still hot because I just finished cooking not so long ago. Guys, yo, I am so tired. I need to take leave. I need to go book myself for a massage. I am tired. I've been going through a lot lately. That is why I haven't been posting any videos. There's just so much going on in my life. But I trust the Lord will see me through these times. It really hasn't been easy. A lot's been happening, a lot has happened, and yeah, I just take it a day at a time right now. There's a lot just stressing me out as well. I'm even feeling sick. I've been having this constant pain on my back shoulder, like it strikes right through my back and then right to my front chest, to the chest. So It's really tough. It's really tough, but I pray and I ask God for guidance. I ask God for strength, you know. So please do pray for me. Please do pray for me, because right now I am feeling very weak. I am feeling very weak. I've even lost focus at work. I can't focus anywhere in anything that I do. In my studies, I try so hard to not think about my problems. But yeah, it's just difficult. It's just difficult. I wish my sauce was very spicy. It was chili. Like, I wish it was hot. Because right now I don't think I'll be enjoying it. I love my food hot, spicy, chili, but like I said, yeah, I don't have all those right now in my house, in my fridge, but I'll definitely get some. So right now I'll be using this is the Nando's hot sauce. So oops, so I'll be using that on my chicken just to get that flavorful taste. Now that's what I'm talking about. A big shout out to my daughter. She's the one who convinced me to do this channel. So a big shout out to her. I love her so much. Kamohelo, that's her name. You are my everything. I love you so much, my baby. And thank you for, I don't know, for seeing me, or, you know, seeing me as an inspiration in your life. And for being my friend. My daughter is my friend, guys. She's 17 years old, and trust me, she tells me all the time that I'm my best friend. So I love her. She's my world. She's my everything. Sorry. Somehow this lemon, I don't know, it makes this chicken kind of nice, eh? It is nice. It is nice. These veggies are very nice, guys. That's cool. I think I'm gonna end I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel, Dine with Miss T. Yeah, and to those who have been watching my channel and my videos, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it, guys. And yeah, your prayers right now would mean a lot to me. Please do pray for me. Like I said, there's a lot happening in my life right now, and yeah, I don't know, like, it's just too difficult. It's just difficult. Everything right now, I feel like I don't know. I feel like I'm clouded. Oh, sorry. I feel like I am clouded. I feel like I am suffocating. I feel like the world is just crashing down on me, you know? So it's not a nice feeling to go through. It's not a nice feeling to have. And especially if you can't really talk about it. Well, I think there's only two people who know what I'm going through right now in my life. And those are the only people whom I share my deepest secrets with. And I have their support. They have been supportive. But yeah, you know, it's just one of those things whereby I feel lost. I feel very lost. I feel unappreciated. I feel like I could just disappear. I wish I could just disappear. But I am just trying to be strong. I'm trying to be strong for my daughter. I'm trying to be strong for myself. And I do trust that God will see me through this. I've been through worse situations in my life, and I believe that I'll get through this as well, because of my faith, because of my belief, because of the person that I am. I break a lot, I cry a lot, and I just hope that this will pass. And to everybody that's going through a lot right now as well, my prayers go out to you guys, and I hope and I wish and I pray that God be with you during these times that you're going through, these difficult times, whatever situation that you're in. Do not lose your faith. Do not lose your faith. Always believe, trust in God, pray, 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 and cry if you need to cry, you know. I think crying helps, but do not bottle everything inside of you. Do not bottle them inside of you. Yeah, like I said, prayers to you all, prayers to you all. Wishing you guys all the best, and thank you for watching my show, and keep well. I love you.